Hello all, and welcome to the Brain Gym. Are you ready to unleash the full potential of your brain? Well, you're at the right place. In this introductory video, we'll give you an overview of what Brain Gym is all about and how it aims to expand your knowledge in exciting and unconventional ways. So, let's get started. Brain Gym is not your average learning platform. It is designed to go beyond traditional bookish knowledge and take your brain on an exhilarating workout. We believe that learning should be fun, interactive, and relevant to your everyday life. Here at Brain Gym, we promote brain fitness and strive to unlock the immense potential that lies within each of us. General knowledge is an essential aspect of our overall understanding of the world. At Brain Gym, we delve into a wide range of intriguing topics that expand your understanding of various fields such as history, science, culture, and more. Join us as we uncover fascinating facts and nurture your curiosity. Have you ever wondered what professionals from different fields actually do? At Brain Gym, we bring you detailed discussions on the roles and responsibilities of various professions. Whether you're curious about the life of a doctor, engineer, artist, or any other profession, we've got you covered. Gain insights into different careers and find your inspiration. And there you have it. This is just the beginning of our Brain Gym journey. We're excited to have you join us as we embark on a quest to unlock the full potential of our brains. Stay tuned for more engaging content and expand your knowledge like never before. Thank you for joining us on this adventure at the Brain Gym. Remember, our pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing journey. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting discussions. Together, let's keep exercising our brains and unlocking new possibilities. Until next time, take care and keep learning.